What's good, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Here with is Main Script. First time coming across my channel, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'm going to be dropping on this channel. So, guys, previously I made a video on how to start stock trading of the Nigerian market. So, in this video, I'm going to be taking you through on how to start trading the foreign stock market. Okay, so I already took you through creating an account on Trove and also how to fund your account. It's still the same way I showed you in my previous video on how to trade NGN stock. That's the same format for trading the foreign stock. So now I'm presently on the NGN portfolio here. So I just have to come over here. Then I'll just switch to the US portfolio. Presently, I'm not having any amount in my US portfolio. So this was my holding back then. Okay, so what I just have to do is I just come over to this dashboard. So at this dashboard now, you just have to come over here to search for the foreign stock you want to invest in. So the foreign stock you want to invest in, we have Amazon, we have Google, we have Microsoft. So before you start investing, we have different ways of making investments. So you can do dollar cost averaging, just buying little by little of the foreign shares. You buy like $10 worth of Amazon today, next day $20 like that. So for instance, now you just have to select the stock you want to buy. Let's say I want to invest in Amazon. You see, Amazon is presently trading at this amount. And if I want to buy one worth of Amazon, I need to fund my account first. As I just have to come over to this portfolio. Once I come over to portfolio, I need to scroll down, see this fund portfolio. So I can fund with Naira, I can fund with dollar. So I'm just going to select Naira. Since you're in Nigeria and you want to start trading in the foreign stock market, just fund with Naira, then it's going to be converted into dollar for you. So you use the dollar, the converted dollar to start investing. Okay, so let me just take us through that again. Fund Naira, just click on it. Then you can go with bank transfer. Just click on this continue button. Let's say we fund 15,000, or let's say we fund 150,000. Then I just have to click on this continue button. Then I'm going to be having an account to fund. Once I've made the funding, the amount I funded will be like converted into dollars. Once it has been converted, then I just have to come over to this browser set and start searching for the foreign stock I want to start investing in. For example, now we have Amazon, we have Google, we have Microsoft. So if I'm going with Amazon now, I'll just come over here, I'll click on this buy. Then I just have to select the number of shares. If I'm going with one, you see the amount I'm going to be spending. I just have to click on this continue button and on like that, my order will be placed. And if I want to sell, I just have to click on sell. But before I'm able to sell, I need to have bought the shares already. So then I can just come over to sell it. But presently, I'm not holding any foreign share. So, and you also be seeing the performance. You see the performance here, you see your performance there and all that. This is just a video now to start trading the foreign stock market. We have a lot of foreign stock on Trove. Scrolling down, you see Microsoft, you see Nvidia, you see S&P 500, Tesla. So you can just come over to search for the one you want to invest in. If I'm going with Tesla, Tesla is presently trading for this amount. So it's presently trading for this amount. If I want to buy, I'll just click on this buy button. Then my order is going to be placed. So then let's just go back to this dashboard. So in my last video, I just went through these dividend stocks. I didn't like I explained it a little bit, but I didn't click on it on Trove. So you see these dividend stocks now. You see it here. They say dividend stocks are stocks that make regular distribution to their shareholders, usually in form of cash payments. Dividend stocks are attractive during period of market volatility and in bear markets because the yield paid out to investors can help preserve the value of the stock by mitigating sell off. So we have BMY, we have CLX. You see a lot of them are paying dividend here. And for Nigerian stock market that are paying dividend, we have series of them too. So you can just go online and make your research about stocks that are paying dividend. Instead of you earning from maybe the percentage, the way I said in my previous video, Dangote Cement did about 42%. I can just go to buy Dangote Cement now. The reason why I just bought is just to like get the dividend payment. There is also a way of you earning from stock trading. So that will be all for this video. And if you have more questions on stock trading, so you can just reach out to me on Telegram. I'm going to be answering you. So guys, that will be all for this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel Minscript and also turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping on this channel. Bye guys, and see you in my next update.